joined Moksh coaching platform for my MCI coaching. I chose this platform because it was providing all the information I need in my 5-year MBBS course just at one click of my mobile phone, and that's really appreciable. The teachers provided by the Moksh platform are just amazing. They are thorough with the subjects they are teaching, and they clear all our doubts that we are having in the online class only, and that's really appreciable, right? Also, here I mentioned that the work that is done at the field level, the base level, by the student support team that is led by Ma'am Ritu is really commendable. They help you whenever you need. They are for you whenever you require them. So guys, buckle up and just enroll yourself with the Moksh coaching platform, because they'll be there to support you whatever you need in your MBBS career. Thank you.